Today we will unbox Nefficar's karaoke system called N93-WL. It is a wireless karaoke system. Let's see what we get inside the box. A user manual. There is handheld microphone, a very compact one. Then there are two cables. The first one is for charging the microphone. The second one is the aux cable, which can be used for connecting the speaker with your phone or laptop. And then there is a charger for charging the speaker. Here. And we can see that there is a neck band which can be used for hanging the speaker around your shoulders. Let's put them back and see what else is there in the box. Alright, done. So here is the main device, which is the speaker. Wow, this speaker looks beautiful. It is sleek, it is lightweight. Let us look at the speaker from every side. There is a band for holding the speaker in hand when you want to carry it along. Let us look at various functions. So there is an antenna which helps with the FM function. Let's turn on the speaker. Then you see this display panel.
He's waiting for a connection.
Let's turn on the microphone. It comes automatically.
हेलो इनमें इशारों की चाबियां लगा.
Let's turn it off and look at other functions. So there is echo control here, which is an essential function when you're singing. There is independent mic volume control. You can connect other devices with Bluetooth. Use the amp button for changing the modes. And then you can see the charging port, USB input, DF card input, aux input, and there is an output port as well. There is a wired mic option as well. That's all there is in the box.